Hello everyone, I'm Miss Lau. In today's video, we are going to 3D print a coffee capsule holder, which could store 3 capsules. Okay, so let's get started. Before we get into any 3D modeling software, we have to get some very accurate measurement and draw what we are going to create. It is a very good idea to get accurate measurement with caliper. Here it is. It is a device used to measure the distance between two opposite sides of an object, and these are the measurements I made for one capsule. You could see I found the height, the diameter of the base circle, the outer circle, and the inner circle. The most important part is the width of the rim, because you're going to insert this part to the gap of the container. Next, we have to draw the design diagram for the holder. It will be a good idea to use the sketchbook with pencil. It is a holder which could store 3 capsules vertically like this. It will be a hollow cuboid with a slight gap to fit the rim of the capsule. A very simple idea. Oh, there is one reminder for you. If the size of this part is exactly the same as the capsule, it will be impossible for you to insert the capsule due to friction. So what you need to do is to reserve little space in between. Therefore, I will make this 2 part longer, let's say 5 millimeter. Therefore, for this one will be 40. To save chemical, I reduced the height from this one to 100 millimeter. Once you are happy with your design, you could move to the next step, the Tinkercad. I'm happy with my design, and this is my model, the wet one. In this video, I'm not going to show you the steps to create the model, because I'm pretty sure that you learned a lot of skills in your Form 1 STEM lesson. In case you encounter some technical problem in Tinkercad like me, you could find plenty tutorial videos in YouTube. This is another field of my model. Here we come to the final stage, 3D printing. What you need to do is to submit your file from the Tinkercad to the machine. Many thanks to Mr. Cole, he helped me to print the model. In the last part of this video, I would like to share my feeling on the entire process with all of you. Actually, this capsule holder is my first 3D print object. This object is not perfect, but I am still happy and excited to have this one on my hand. The whole 3D printing process is enjoyable. It's really good that I could personalize my capsule holder, which really fit my need. So let us comment on my product. This coffee capsule holder definitely has room for improvement. At the beginning, actually I want to have something which could elegantly store and display all of my coffee capsule. But you can see for this capsule holder, it could maximum store up to 3 capsules only. That's all. Therefore, next time, I will try to increase its capacity by increasing the height of this. One more thing I want to mention is the printing time. It costs more than 12 hours to print this out. Actually, I should reduce the thickness of the container. Therefore, I could reduce the printing time. At the same time, I could reduce the chemical use. So that's all for my sharing. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you.